waterfall. Ew, I can't reach for water. I can't reach it. Oh well, I'd probably get all soaking wet and drown anyways. It's a fussy sadness. Tired of it all. Are you eating her right wing to fall off?
No.
Why not, Jessica?
You still need to do the nyan nyan dance.
I am not doing the nyan nyan dance.
Why not?
Time to fix.
Digico demands that you do the nyan nyan dance.
Nyan 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 nyan.
Good job.